If you have a problem in Snapchat for your camera app, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down to the apps, and try to pin down Snapchat. So as you can see right here, this is Snapchat. Click on it and make sure that you give camera access to Snapchat, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead, go back to your screen and then swipe down to control center and make sure that you click the shutting down or turning off the Apple so you can basically force Snapchat to update force Apple to update to the latest version, and basically that should fix your camera problem. And basically that's it. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.